Hello, knee-high childcare providers. So I normally give you a health tip, but today I'm going to give you a healthy snack. So I was in Home Goods today, and I picked up these snacks, these healthy snacks. Now, sometimes whenever you're watching kids throughout the day, you just want to eat junk food. I'm very guilty of that. But I had to change my regimen due to blood pressure issues as well as eczema. Too much sodium in my diet, so I had to cut down. So I started getting a lot of healthy chips to snack on, healthy snacks. So this is a hummus and garden bell pepper tortilla chips. And this has 50 grams of sodium. It is a tortilla chip that would delight your taste buds with mild Mediterranean flavors. Blah, blah, blah. Let's try it. I just want to see how it tastes. So, this bag was $3.99. Yeah, $3.99 for this bag. So that was, oh my God, this thing is so doggone. I know I'm strong enough to open up this bag of chips. Hold on. Let me try it again. If I can't open it, I'm just going to. It's not even worth it. I'm going to get my scissors, and I'll be back. I'm going to get my scissors. Why can I open this bag of chips? Ridiculous. Let's see if we open these. I can't open these. So I was having trouble with opening up these chips, so my safety trusty cameraman brought me a knife. So kids, don't try this at home. You're supposed to have scissors, not a knife. But we're going to puncture the bag. Adults don't try this at home. We got it open finally. All right, so let's try these. These are the hummus chips. It's made with white corn, chickpeas, red bell pepper, and black sesame seeds. And it's gluten-free. Non-GMO. And I got this in Home Goods. I think it's R.W. Garcia. But anyway, it doesn't taste bad. These are pretty good. These are good. Put these in some hummus. Or you can make your own sour cream. I like these. So, that's one healthy snack. Now, let's try the Himalayan pink salt lentil chips. Protein, vegan, kosher, gluten-free. Again, I'm using a knife. Don't try this at home. I tried opening it. I can't open it. Maybe I just need to work out more. But anyway, this bag was $2.79. So let's puncture this open. Hopefully I won't cut myself. Okay, we got that open. Ooh, these are pretty. These are good too. 180 milliliters. Now this bag is $2.79. I think they should put some more chips in here, but they taste very good. Now these are lentil chips, and these are protein, vegan, kosher, certified, gluten-free, non-GMO, no artificial flavors, cholesterol-free, zero trans fat, and this is another healthy snack. Now, pink Himalayan salt. I know it's so good to be talking with food in your mouth, but this is really good. I suppose they're made out of lentil. Me too. Yeah, lentil flour, potato starch. Say goodbye to greasy chips that are full of artificial additives. The daily crave lentil chips contains no artificial preservatives or flavors and still gives you all the great taste you desire. These tasty alternative snacks fit in perfectly with a gluten-free lifestyle. People looking for satisfying snacks no longer have to sacrifice. With simple ingredients you can pronounce, snacking well never tasted so good. I agree. So, no, I didn't get these from the grocery store or Walmart, my favorite place. I got these from Home Goods. So you need to try these out. They had a plethora of different sweet potato chips, chickpea chips, blue corn chips, and they were pretty low sodium. So you always cannot find if you sometimes have to venture out, and sometimes these little specialty stores, they have these little healthy snacks. So you should try it. And I really like these. Oh, I was supposed to tell you what pink Himalayan salt is good for. Hold on. Let me see. Thank you. Now, I cook with pink Himalayan salt. Oh, goodness. I messed up my phone just now. I put install when I was supposed to. Can you give me your phone? Can you look up the benefits of pink Himalayan salt? While he's doing that, I'm going to have me another chip. Because it's so... These kind of taste like a Dorito. Or Fritos, if you like Fritos. It's like a cross... excuse me. A cross between Doritos and Fritos. Okay, so the benefits of pink Himalayan salt. So I cook with that a lot now, and I do notice a difference in my body and my food. It is a natural salt, and it does season your food like right away. You don't have to use a lot of it. But the reason why I started using that for blood pressure issues / eczema issues. And I noticed that it does, these are some benefits. It does balance electrolytes, helps keep you hydrated, it supports digestion, it purifies the air, it soothes tired muscles, and it detoxifies the body. I really feel the detoxification in the salt, the sodium that I'm using, that I cook with, because I was using, I stopped with iodized salt a long time ago because of the blood pressure issues, and you can pretty much tell when a food is cooked with iodized salt because it's heavily sodium-like taste. And if you cannot tell it, then just don't add any seasoning. You can tell the difference that way, kind of gauge your taste buds. Some people, they've used so much iodized salt to like their taste buds can't even detect or eat anything unless they put that on it. So, but one of my reasons for years ago stopping with the iodized salt due to the high blood pressure issues, and I noticed a lot of swelling around my eyes. The next morning, I would see a lot of swelling around my eyes. So, the iodized salt helps retains a lot of water in the body, which is not good. You don't want to retain water that way. Cause swelling. So, and then I went to kosher salt and sea salt. Now I'm still on the fence, but I do like the way the pink Himalayan with the kosher and the sea salt. Sea salt, when I researched with that, and speaking with my doctor, who happens to be Asian, the sea salt more of combines with the bloodstream. It's not as high, so I can't really explain it. It's not as high sodium as the kosher salt is supposed to be, but it's supposed to like really complement the bloodstream of the body using the sea salt versus the iodized salt and the kosher salt. But for me, I noticed a big difference in my sodium levels, and how I can gauge sodium levels in my body determines on me having headaches. Like I don't over season my food. I used to be guilty of that, so I don't over season my food. But I do notice that I use less salt in my food when I use the pink Himalayan salt. And then pink Himalayan salt has so many benefits. And so I really like to use that for me. Now, your body's different. I always tell you to consult with your doctor. But for me personally, I do like the benefits of the pink Himalayan salt. And I notice a difference in the amount that I use, which is not much, to season my food. Okay, so pink Himalayan sea salt contains over 84 minerals and trace elements, including calcium, magnesium, potassium, copper, and iron. So it does more than just makes your food taste better. It helps regulate your body levels as well. It's more of a natural, and then you don't have to use a lot of it. So that was my benefit for doing that. And now, like, you go to these specialty shops, you can get pink Himalayan chips, and these are very good. So I encourage you to try out those funny tasting or funny looking chips. They still give you the pleasure of eating a potato chip, because I still love potato chips. I mean, really? Yeah, I do. But I want to be healthy with eating the snacks. And then you feel like you're doing something, you're still getting your pleasure of eating snacks, but you're doing something healthy for your body. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope I hope you'll try some of these snacks. Until next time, bye-bye now.